Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many macOS users face when working with lsof output. The challenge at hand is to print specific columns of lsof output, apply the uniq command on the PID column, and maintain the original formatting. Additionally, we need to ensure the header line is not included in the uniq count. Quite the task, right? Let's jump into the solution now. By setting the eth_IP variable, we store the IP address of our machine. Utilizing a combination of lsof, awk, sort, and uniq commands, we can achieve the desired output. The key lies in a clever use of awk to print the header line with a prefix, then sorting and counting unique PID values while preserving the initial formatting. This method elegantly solves the problem without unnecessary complexities. In summary, we've successfully tackled the challenge of customizing lsof output on macOS with precision. By leveraging a strategic command sequence, we've obtained the desired results efficiently. Remember, keeping your commands concise and effective can save you time and effort in troubleshooting. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Stay tech savvy.